Did you know that AI has triggered a 21% drop in demand for digital freelancers? Or that over 75% of AI users say it has made them less productive and more overwhelmed? And that 60% of ChatGPT 3.5 outputs contain some form of plagiarism. If you're feeling the pressure of keeping up with AI as it transforms industries overnight, you're not alone. The world has changed, and so-called AI gurus have been peddling bad advice to make a quick buck. Advice that hasn't just led to a drop in productivity, but that has also actively hurt businesses' marketing strategies by eroding their competitive advantage. Gotten people blacklisted by Google, banned from social media, accused of plagiarism, and even fired. Today, it's not just other businesses you're up against, it's bad advice and ever-evolving technology that never takes a break, continually adapts, and costs a fraction of what human labor does. Those who thought AI wouldn't replace them have inadvertently trained the very systems that did. The bottom line, technology got an upgrade, but humans didn't. Isn't it time you did though? AI has rewritten the rules of business. Yet many are still playing a game that expired over a year ago, completely unaware of the changes that are still coming. Millions are heading for failure if they don't change their approach now. As a VIP contributor to Entrepreneur Magazine for 9 years and a best-selling author, I've spent 2 decades keeping leaders ahead of industry shifts. My book Unstoppable sold over 80,000 copies, and more than 25,000 students have taken one of my online programs. My videos on AI have racked up millions of views on entrepreneur.com and have been syndicated across major news sites throughout the US. But, like many others, when ChatGPT launched, I was optimistic about the possibilities. But I quickly realized that most entrepreneurs didn't fully understand the extent of the changes coming their way. To cut through the noise and uncover what's truly required to thrive in the AI era, I invested over 3,000 hours researching AI's impact on business, the economy, marketing, and the future of work for my new book, The Wolf is at the Door: How to Survive and Thrive in an AI-Driven World, published by the leading business magazine in the world, Entrepreneur. And frankly, what I uncovered shocked me. There are 2 types of entrepreneurs in the AI era: AI rookies at risk of being replaced, and future makers ready to rise. Rookies risk being accused of plagiarism, blacklisted by Google, and even fired by clients for unknowingly sharing trade secrets with AI. The truth is, simply using AI doesn't guarantee that your cost-cutting clients won't replace you with it. However, there is something that will put you 10 steps ahead of your competition: becoming a future maker. Future makers fully embrace AI to automate their marketing, enhance customer service, increase leads, and boost conversion rates, all without putting their livelihoods at risk. The good news? Achieving your goal of creating a business without limits with AI as your co-pilot doesn't have to be hard or stressful. You don't need technical experience, and you don't need to worry about AI eroding your competitive advantage when you finally learn how to apply it the right, not the wrong way. Imagine finally having a clear view of what the future in business holds, a clear view of precisely how to adapt to remain competitive and relevant to your changing customer needs. The great news is you can. You see, after speaking with countless experts, I've not only decided to share my insights that represent a paradigm shift decades in the making in my new book, The Wolf is at the Door, I've decided to pull together a groundbreaking and interactive online course that will prepare you for the future in ways that you've never been able to before. It's called the AI Mastery Fast Track, and it's a program unlike anything available that will transform your business and life and finally give you the real truth on how AI is rewriting the rules for business. Here's how you'll benefit immediately when you enroll today and join thousands of other members. You'll access a Netflix-like library of over 40 short and impactful video lessons, quizzes and templates to boost your productivity and profitability, creating a business without limits. You'll save 1 to 2 days of work per week and over $100,000 in business and marketing expenses per year by deploying AI strategically in your daily activities. You'll achieve in a single day what would normally take months of research, trial, and error by transforming your workflow with professional-grade AI automations that streamline your tasks and decision-making. You'll learn how to shield your work from being scraped by AI, ensuring your content and unique value proposition remain intact and highly valuable. You'll navigate AI marketing minefields with confidence, avoiding risky strategies that could result in getting banned, fired, or causing reputational harm due to unintentional plagiarism. You'll discover the top 12 AI tools and how to use them that will slash your workload by 1 to 2 days per week. You'll master the AI Content Mastery System to produce compelling, plagiarism-free content that captures the essence of who you are and converts your audience into paying customers. You'll unlock a library of advanced yet easy to use prompts that every entrepreneur needs to increase conversions, boost productivity, and save time and money, including my unique prompt engineering formula that will turn you into a pro within minutes. You'll discover how to generate 200 plus high quality social media posts in record time so you can post consistently and grow your following. You'll create your very own AI Mastery Dream Team to replicate your voice, tone, and persona, boosting your presence across digital platforms in ways never before possible, plus so much more. And when you join today, you'll also gain access to a secret vault of downloadable tools valued at over $2,000. This includes a free digital copy of my top ranked AI book, The Wolf is at the Door, praised by industry leaders like Amy Porterfield. You'll also receive bonuses that you didn't know you even needed, but you must implement ASAP, including an AI policy template to ease customer concerns, a playbook for blocking AI from scraping your website and devaluing your unique value proposition, and a complete walkthrough on how to identify your unique competitive advantage in the AI era. And the best part, you'll also get free lifetime membership valued at $997, which means you can start when you're ready and enjoy all updates and upgrades in the future at no additional cost. I'm so confident in this course that if you don't transform from an AI rookie, a risk of being replaced, to a future maker ready to rise within 28 days, we'll give you your money back. So if you're ready to join the Wolf Pack in the AI Mastery Fast Track and finally navigate the AI wilderness together, safeguarding against its hazards while harnessing its opportunities, hit the enroll button now to get started immediately. And I'll see you on the inside.